Tanya, Tanya, ITK, salam SPECTA.
Can you introduce yourself first?
I am Naveen Megwal. I'm director of ICCR, that means SVCC Bali, Swami Vivekanand Culture Center in Bali. And our job is to promote Indian culture.
Could you share with us what India Day means to you personally and why even like this are important for promoting cultural diversity?
India Day is basically a program where we talk about Indian culture. Indian culture which consists of music, dance, yoga, and scholarship, and cultural talk, and sharing the thoughts and all this. Now, the idea about this cultural festival or India Day is basically when we know each other culture, then we have more unity, then we have more harmony among each other. Indonesia is such a beautiful country. It is culturally so rich. You will hardly find so many countries in the world which are so culturally rich and so nice. This place here, this university, is so beautiful. The people, the students here are so lovely and so keen to learn actually.
Have you had a chance to explore a place in Balikpapan? You have an Indonesian food as your favorite?
We did not have so much chance to explore because we are just here for one day and we are busy in the program. But then I would like to explore it. The food actually, I like nasi goreng, nasi campur, mee goreng.
The last question, message would you like to convey to the attendees at India Day?
I would like to tell people that explore culture, enhance your culture, enhance the knowledge, learn more things. The more you learn, the better you become a human person or human being.